exercise 9.1. Here it is given that there is a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Okay, so let us suppose this is the straight highway and it leads to the foot of the tower, where this is a tower, and let us give name to the tower as AB. So AB is the tower and this is the straight highway which leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower, that means man is here, and if he observes a car which is at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So let us suppose here at point C he observes a car, and the angle of depression means if the man is at the point A, then this must be the line of sight, and angle of depression or elevation are always with a horizontal. So I have to draw a horizontal here, and this angle is given as 30 degree. So this angle is angle of depression. When a man stands at point A, means he is at the top of the tower and he observes a car which is at point C. Sorry. Now 6 seconds later, this is also given that this car is moving, which is now at point C. It is moving towards the tower and with a uniform speed. And after 6 seconds, this car which was at point C, now it reaches at point D. And now for this man, the angle of depression changes to 60. So this angle will be 60, right? And we have to find out the time taken by the car to reach up to the foot of the tower from this point. That means from point D. So we have to find out the time taken for which the car has taken from reaching from D point to B point, right? So we know that this is a horizontal, these are the level ground, so this must be equal to this angle. That means if it is M, so MAC is equal to ACD by alternate angle property, so this must be 30. In the same way, if this is 60 degree, MAD, so ADB is also of 60 degree. And let us suppose that the height of the tower is H, and we also have to suppose the speed of the car, and it is uniform. That's why we can suppose that as a variable here. So now let H is equal to AB is equal to height of the tower, right? Also we have to suppose that X equal to, or we can write it as, let the speed of the car is equal to X meter per second, right? And time taken by the car, that is given in the question, time taken by the car from C to D point, that is 6 seconds. That is given in the question. Again we have to suppose, let the time taken by the car from point D to B, let us suppose that as T seconds. Okay, so if from here to here means that from point C to D it is taking 6 seconds, and from D to B we have supposed that it is taking T seconds. Then we can find out the distance traveled by the car from C to D and D to B, because we have a formula that distance is equal to speed into time. So by this formula we can find out the distance CD and BD. So let us see that what will the distance CD here. So distance CD will be speed into time, that is 6x meters, right? And distance BD is again speed into time, that is Tx meters. Now we'll have to find out the time taken. So we have to make some equation, and after solving that equations we can get the value of time taken by the car from the point, moving from the point D to B. So I'm taking first this triangle, right triangle ABD, where this is TX and this is 6x according to the question. Now in right triangle ABD, H by TX, that means AB by BD. For this angle, this is perpendicular by base, and perpendicular by base is tan. This is tan 60. So AB is H, we have supposed. BD is TX and tan 60 is root 3. So from here we get the value of H as TX into root 3, and this is our first equation. So from first equation we have the value of H in the form of T and X. Now I will apply this ratio again in the next right triangle, and that is equal to ABC. So in right triangle ABC, again I am taking the ratio perpendicular by base, that means AB by CB, and that is tan 30, because here the angle given is 30 degree, that's why. So P by V is tan, that's why it is tan 30, and it will be H, and CB is CD plus DB, that is 6x plus TX. Okay, 6x plus TX is equal to tan 30, that means 1 by root 3. Or from here I can get H is equal to 6x plus TX upon root 3. So this is the value of H. I just got it from equation from second right triangle. So this is from first, this is from second, but both of them are the values of H. So we can put them together, we can put them equal. H is TX root 3, H is 6x plus TX by root 3. Both of them should be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, what I get? I get TX root 3 is equal to 6x plus TX upon root 3. Okay, now root 3 will come here. It will be TX into 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. And I can take common from these two terms. X is common, so I will get 6 plus T. X will cancel out from both the side. This is 3T equal to 6 plus T, or I can put this T here in the left hand side. So I get 3T minus T as 6, or this will implies 2T as 6, and T is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. What it means? It means the value of T is 3 seconds. And what we have supposed as T? T is the time taken by the car from moving from point D to B. So the required time for the car, which car has taken, that is 3 seconds. Okay, so car moved from point D to B in 3 seconds. So this is the answer. So 3 seconds is the required answer. I hope you understand the question, and thank you.
Bye.